Right, so this is part 2 of how to tie a Gaucho Fan Knot paracord key fob. In the first video we did the white, and if you haven't seen that first video, check out the link in that corner up there. Now we've got 4 feet of white paracord and 4 feet of red. On the working end of the red I've attached a fid, and the standing end of the red cord is coming out the back like this, and I've got about 8 inches of each cord coming out the end. Now then, all we are going to do is follow the standing end of the white cord. This is the first cord that we used to start wrapping it round 3 times, and we've got the red cord and it's going on the left hand side all the way around. So this white cord is going under, so we go under. Make sure you don't have any twists in there like I have at the moment. All we're doing is following this cord under over until we get to the end. So it's gone over one, now we go underneath. Get the twists out. It goes over. So we go under. Do you know what? I don't think I should have used white paracord, but never mind. Then we go over, under, all the way to the end. Make sure you don't get any twists. Over, and following that cord under. Come on, out. Yes. Gonna untwist the cord for a second. Right, now we're near the end. The white cord goes over the top. So the red cord goes over and then it goes under here like that. Okay, now we're out the end. Now what we're going to do is follow this white cord on the right hand side all the way to the end. So the red cord comes out here and we go over this white one, under the next white one, and splitting this pair here. You see the pair, red and white? We're going to split that. So we go over this white one, under the second white one, and split this pair like that. Now we're going over the red and the white, dive down underneath this white cord and split this first pair of red and white like that. This took me ages to work out. Okay, so if you have to rewind, feel free, don't worry. So we're going over 2, under 1, split that pair. Make sure you get the twists out. Over 2, under 1, split that pair. Over these 2. Now this is where you get quite confused as well. This is where I couldn't get my head around it, okay? I'm nearing the end. This is the top. These are the standing ends and working ends. That's the top of the weave there. we go over this red one, over the white one, so over 2, and then we go under this white one here, like that. That's where your fid comes out. So over 2, under 1. Like that. Now we're out the top. So we go over these 2. And under this one here. Like that. Okay. There. Now, what we do, we go over 2 and under 1. So over this one, and dive down under 1, following this white cord here. So now we're going back onto the left hand side of this white cord. We're going over the first white, over the red, and dive down under 1. Over 2, under 1. Over 2, under 1. Get those twists out. Over 2, under 1. Over 2, under 1. Like that. We're doing good. Okay, so we're going back down again for the last time, and what we're going to do is go over this white cord here. We're going on the right hand side of this cord here. We go over this one here, over the top, over 1, and under 2, splitting that pair there, like that. Okay, make sure the twists are all out, and now all the way to the end we're going over 2, under 2. So we're still following this white cord here, and we're going over red, white, under 2. Over 2. Under 2. Over 2, like that. Under 2. Now we're getting near the top again. It doesn't matter. We still go over 2. Over these 2, under those 2, like that. And now we still need to go over these 2 cords here, but what we're going to do now is dive underneath all these standing ends like that, and we're going to poke our fid. Can you see? We're coming out over these two here. We're going under the standing ends. Like that. And we're going to come out here. Like that. Okay. Now, that is almost the end, but a little thing that I've learnt myself is what you need to do, what I do anyway, is scrunch everything up together and make sure the pattern is the same all the way around. Now this white cord here, it will go like this, but as you can see, everything looks good. The amount of times I've gone all the way through this and then found that I've got a red one sticking out here where a white one should be. And in part 3, what we're going to do is tighten everything up. So, hope that helped. Hope I was clear enough. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and I shall see you in part 3.